Hello, I'm Alex Wu from GVS Video Intercom Division. Today I would like to introduce the ST Series digital 2-wire intercom system to you. On my side there is a standard topology demo of our 2-wire intercom system, including 2 indoor monitors, 1 outdoor station, a modular outdoor station with 3 modules. The first feature of our digital 2-wire is that the positive and negative wiring is not polarized. It adopts bus-type power supply, which is similar to our 2-wire analog intercom system. The hardware part uses the wire bridges for the circuit, whatever it is, 30 volts or minus 30 volt. The equipment can take 30 volts voltage from the bus system. It facilitates users to debug and install products at the project. The second feature, it supports local SIP intercom and also supports cloud SIP intercom. That means that the digital 2-wire system, it supports local SIP intercom. The indoor monitor to the cloud app is also using SIP technology. It is a concept of two-way SIP intercom system. The third feature, it supports this kind of small community networking system. The largest capacity of our system supports 16 households. Networking, all devices adopt bus-type power supply. No need for additional switches for networking. This is a huge advantage of our digital 2-wire video intercom system. The fourth feature, it supports 720p video transmission. The digital 2-wire transmission rate can reach approximately 100 megabytes. It is able to support 4-way 720p transmission. For example, our first outdoor station calls the first house monitor. The second outdoor station calls our second monitor. The 2-way 720p transmission can call the devices in parallel. The system capacity can reach 4 channels of 720p transmission at the same time, offering a better system experience for the end user when there are multiple calls at the same time. The fifth feature is our digital 2-wire system adopts the design of modular outdoor station design, which includes 1 module panel, 2 module panel, 3 module panel and 4 module panel. The outdoor station supports surface-mounted and flush-mounted installation. With this multiple combination design, the user can choose the suitable panel to meet the requirement of the project. The sixth feature, it supports IP camera integration, IP camera connection. The system can add a switch converting the 2-wire data to Ethernet for the system integration. It can realize our indoor monitor to monitor the IP camera directly. No need for an additional gateway. The seventh feature is our digital 2-wire system can be mixed with our standard IP system. For example, our digital 2-wire and our IP SIP system. We only need a 2-wire to Ethernet switch here. Then it can connect the digital 2-wire system and IP SIP system together to realize this kind of hybrid solution. Let me introduce our digital 2-wire video intercom system operation process. This is our modular outdoor station with 3 modules. The one on the left is our 1-module push-button outdoor station. As the outdoor station is very easy to use, there is a push button on the panel. For example, it calls the first or the second house. Of course, the function of the device can also be configured by the software. This push button can be assigned to call single or dual households. For example, if it is for a single household, it's apartment 1. If it's for dual households, it's apartment 2. This is apartment 1, apartment 2, apartment 3, apartment 4. The same to the others, repeat to 9 and 10. This is the configuration procedure for apartment number for the indoor monitor, because it uses SIP cloud intercom locally. And then to our app, it also uses SIP, server-based cloud intercom. So the configuration of the indoor monitor is complicated than the others, the use of our cloud intercom process. Firstly, set up the Wi-Fi on the indoor monitor. Search for Wi-Fi connection, connect to Wi-Fi, and make sure the indoor monitor can access the internet. Using the mobile phone app to scan the QR code to bind the indoor monitor. When the outdoor station makes the call, it will call to the cloud server. Then the call will be diverted to our app. The app can answer the call or unlock the door remotely. It can realize the function of local intercom and cloud intercom like this. Local intercom is our local SIP intercom. Point-to-point SIP intercom. If the indoor monitor calls the app, it is based on the SIP server's cloud intercom call. This is the basic use of our digital 2-wire process. Of course, it also includes the IC card. Swipe card to unlock the door. This is the basic function of the system for unlocking the lock 1 and lock 2. So that is the basic introduction of the ST series digital 2-wire video intercom system. Thank you.